Welcome to Bucharest, Romania, a city brimming with stories waiting to be discovered. It's a captivating destination, a city of striking contrasts where the old and new intertwine, creating a unique and unforgettable urban landscape. Here, the elegance of Belle Epoque architecture meets the imposing presence of bold Soviet architecture, a testament to the city's complex history. Each street tells a story, whispering tales of bygone eras and the vibrant present. For solo travelers, Bucharest is more than just a destination on a map. It's a place to connect with friendly locals and fellow adventurers, explore hidden corners, and feel instantly at home amidst the welcoming atmosphere. Wander along grand boulevards, lined with architectural marvels, relax and recharge in cozy cafes, savoring the local flavors, or lose yourself in the vibrant energy of the old town, a hub of history and nightlife. The city's warmth is palpable in every smile and every helpful gesture, instantly making you feel like a cherished part of a welcoming community. Bucharest's spirit is undeniably resilient, creative, bursting with artistic expression, and full of simple pleasures that make everyday life a joy. So, pack your curiosity. This captivating city generously rewards those who venture off the beaten path and seek its hidden secrets. Whether you're planning a quick weekend getaway or an extended week-long adventure, Bucharest is guaranteed to capture your imagination and leave you with lasting memories. Let's dive right into the heart of Romania and discover the unique blend of history, culture, and charm that makes this city truly unforgettable. Begin your solo adventure in the heart of Bucharest, the Old Town, also known as Centru Vechi. This is where the city's story truly begins. It's a captivating maze of lively streets, each corner revealing hidden gems and vibrant energy. Discover historic churches, each with its own unique architectural style and peaceful atmosphere, offering a moment of reflection amidst the bustling city. And don't miss the magical Cărtărești Carousel bookstore, a literary haven that will enchant you with its stunning design and vast collection. It's a perfect spot to lose yourself in the world of books. Next, prepare to be amazed by the Palace of the Parliament, a monumental structure that dominates the city skyline. It stands as a colossal symbol of Romania's communist past, a testament to a bygone era. Join a guided tour to uncover its fascinating stories and delve into the history behind this imposing building. It's also a great opportunity to meet fellow travelers and share your experiences. For a breath of fresh air and a glimpse into Romania's rural heritage, visit the Dumitru Gusti National Village Museum. This open-air showcase of traditional Romanian life offers a unique perspective on the country's rich cultural traditions. The museum is beautifully nestled by Lake Herăstrău, providing a serene backdrop for your exploration. Take a leisurely stroll down Calea Victoriei, Bucharest's most elegant boulevard, a showcase of architectural grandeur. The boulevard is lined with magnificent palaces, each with its own story to tell. Explore the numerous museums and admire the stunning Romanian Athenaeum, a concert hall that is a true architectural masterpiece. Each landmark reveals a different side of the city, offering a glimpse into its multifaceted character. It's a city that seamlessly blends history, culture, and modern energy, creating a unique and vibrant atmosphere. These sites are perfect for solo exploration, offering a chance to connect with the city on your own terms. Wander at your own pace, allowing yourself to get lost in the beauty and charm of Bucharest. Soak in the atmosphere, taking time to appreciate the details and nuances of each location, and let Bucharest's story unfold before you, revealing its secrets and captivating your imagination. Capture the details with your camera, savor the moments with your senses, and feel the city's pulse as you go, immersing yourself in its vibrant energy. Every step connects you deeper to Bucharest's living history, forging a personal connection with the city's past. This is a city that invites you to explore its hidden corners and discover its unique character. Reflect on your experiences and be inspired by the beauty and resilience of this remarkable city. Take your time. There's no rush, there's always something new and exciting waiting just around the corner. Bucharest's iconic landmarks are waiting for you to discover them, offering an unforgettable solo adventure. Solo travel in Bucharest means setting your own rhythm. Discover artsy cafes like Origo or Beans and Dots, perfect for reading, journaling, or people watching. Join a walking tour to uncover hidden stories and meet fellow explorers. Escape to green spaces like Sismigiu Gardens or Herăstrău Park for a peaceful break from the city buzz. Explore museums big and small, from the National Museum of Romanian History to the Contemporary Mare. Take your time with each exhibit. This is your journey. In Bucharest, every day is a chance to find your own adventure. Enjoy the freedom to explore, relax, and connect with the city on your terms. Getting around Bucharest is easy. Use the metro for speed or ride-sharing apps like Uber and Bolt for convenience. The city is safe for solo travelers. Just stay aware and keep your belongings secure in busy areas. Learn a few Romanian phrases. Simple hellos and thank yous go a long way. Locals appreciate the effort and often respond with warmth. Carry some local currency for markets, and download an offline map for easy navigation. Let someone back home know your plans for peace of mind. With these tips, you can explore confidently and focus on the adventure. Bucharest is welcoming, accessible, and ready for you to discover. Embrace the journey. This city is yours to explore. No trip to Bucharest is truly complete without fully embracing and tasting its comforting and diverse cuisine. It's a culinary adventure waiting to unfold. Be sure to try sarmal, cabbage rolls stuffed generously with seasoned meat and rice, or maisi, those beloved perfectly grilled sausages that are a staple of Romanian street food. They're simply irresistible. A visit to Obor Market is a must to sample an array of fresh cheeses, golden local honey, and of course the classic kovrig pastry, a true taste of Bucharest. As evening descends, explore the Old Town's vibrant and bustling nightlife, where you can sip exquisite Romanian wine or discover a quirky and unique ruin bar tucked away in a hidden corner. Be adventurous with your palate and absolutely don't miss papanasi, that decadent donut dessert, generously topped with sour cream and sweet, flavorful jam. Every meal you share becomes a window into the heart of Romanian culture and their warm, genuine hospitality. Dining solo here is incredibly easy and comfortable. Restaurants and markets extend a warm welcome to everyone. Savor each and every bite. Be open to trying something completely new, and allow the city's unique and unforgettable flavors to become an integral part of your travel story. Food in Bucharest is so much more than mere sustenance. It's a rich and immersive experience that you'll treasure and remember long after you've left. Bon appetit, or as they say in Romania, poftă bună, and happy travels!